Hey, this is Hair Tweet Cat, and I don't normally talk in a video, but I wanted to show you a lighter from 2007, and I just thought it was appropriate because the Braves have won the National League and moving towards the World Series. So, real quick, it's kind of almost like a lighter basic video as well. So, here's the lighter. It is from 2007, and that's kind of what I'm going to show right now. How to tell a date on a Zippo. You look at the letter to the left, and that will represent the month of manufacture, and the number to the right represents the year of manufacture. So this lighter was made, so J, what's that, 10, so October of 2007. And I don't know, I just thought, hey, might as well show this one since they went to the World Series. They're going to the World Series, and if they win the World Series, I have a lighter that will really impress you, and I'll do a full video on that. I actually need to clean it up to get ready for a restoration. So if you like that, give it a thumbs up. And if you want the Braves to win or you want the Astros to win, either way, let me know in the comments below. And regardless, I just want it to be a heck of a ball game and keep it close and just very suspenseful. Anyways, go Braves, and thanks for all the support and likes and subs. Thanks, everyone. Bye.